We'll solve some problems of the concentration of the solution. So here question is how many gram of potassium chloride would have been to be dissolved in 60 gram of water to give 20% by mass of solution. So we can see here 20% means percentage by mass. This is actually percentage by mass. We know that it is the mass of solute divided by mass of solution. So we will find using this formula. So 20 is the mass percent they have given, so right here 20. Okay, this is equal to mass of the solute. So solute we have how many gram of KCl they are asking. So let us take KCl is something W gram. So W divided by mass of the solution. So mass of solution consists of KCl plus water. KCl plus water. So KCl is W and water they have given 60 grams. So this will be answer, and you have to in percentage. So weight by mass of solution into 100. So after solving we will get W equal to 15 grams. So this is the weight of the KCl. So now we'll see next question. So next question is what is the density of in gram per ml of a 3.6 molarity of H2SO4 solution, and that is 29% H2SO4 whose molar mass is 98 gram by mass. So by mass 29% H2SO4 is given. So by mass again same meaning. So by mass means again we know that by meaning of by mass is, so this is nothing but 29 gram in 100 gram of solution. So this is your 100 gram of solution. Fine. So again we say, so molarity they have given. So we know the formula. Okay, molarity is equal to weight of moles of solute divided by liters in solution. So in this, what is the moles of solute? So moles, we know that 29 gram is the moles, and this is the molar mass of the H2SO4. Then liters solution, so volume not given, so we given the mass of the solution. So mass of the solution is how much? 100 gram. This is the mass of the solution, and divided by density. So again density they are asking, so right here density. Okay, density and mass by density, this become volume, and again you divide by, multiply by here numerator 1000. So we have the question given. So now we have to find this density. Everything is given. Molarity they have given here 3.6 mole. So here 3.6 into 29 by 98, and here this will be your 1000, and again multiplied by density and divide by 100. So on solving, so we will get here density of concentration, density of solution is equal to 1.22 gram per ml. So this is the problem. Next we will see third. So H2O2 solution is used for bleaching, okay, as a solution of approximately 5 gram H2O2 per 100 ml of the solution. Okay, so what is the molarity of this solution? So H2 solution is given for this one. So we'll see again here weight given, volume given, molarity we have to find out. So again this problem is very simple. So we have given weight, so weight is here 5 gram, and again volume is also given, that is 100 gram. So again molarity, you know the formula, moles by liter, moles per liter. So moles we know that here, what is the moles? Moles is 5 gram, and molar mass of H2O2 is the 2 plus 2 into 16, that is how much? 34 grams. So put this value 34 grams, this become moles, and again volume is given. So volume is how much? 100. So this is in ml. So to convert into liter, multiply by apply divided by 1000. 1000 will go up. So again solve it. After solving, so we will get here 25 by 17. So this comes about 1.47, or roughly we can say 1.5 molar. This is the answer. So now we'll see next problem. Next problem is 50 ml of 20.8% of W by V barium chloride aqua solution, and 100 ml of 9.8% W by V H2SO4 aqueous solutions. and this solution means there are two solutions which is mixed, and what is the molarity of Cl ions in the resulting solution? Atomic weight of barium is 137. So again we have given two solutions, BaCl2 and H2SO4. okay, so they have given BH2, so here this is your 20.8% W by barium chloride. This means, so we have to take here 50 ml. So 100 ml volume, 20.8 gram. This is weight by volume. Okay, and in 100 ml is 9.8 gram per 100 ml. Per 100 ml of solutions. Okay, so for 50 ml, what is the weight? So here for 50 ml, weight will be your 10.4 gram. So we can find out here, the question is what is the molarity of Cl ions in the resulting solutions. So for Cl ions, actually reaction speed goes like this one. Ba plus Cl2 plus H2SO4, it will react to give barium sulfate plus HCl. So HCl will be here 2 mole. So we have to find out what is the molarity of HCl, how much Cl is present at the resulting solution. So first we have to find moles of BaCl2 and moles of H2SO4. So moles of BaCl2 will be how much? So weight is how much? Weight is 10.4 gram. So 10.4 gram divided by BaCl2. So barium chloride, we know the atomic weight is 137. So 137, and there is Cl. Cl is 35.5. It will be 235.5 is total gram. So on solving, so we will get here 0.5 moles. Now similarly for H2SO4, moles of H2SO4 same thing. So on solving, moles of H2SO4 98 is given. So 98, and molar mass of H2SO4 is 98 gram. H2SO4 simple, it is here 2 gram, 32 gram, and this is your 64 gram. So this will be total 98 gram. The moles we know that. So if you see here equations, so barium chloride how much? 0.05 mole. Okay, so if it is 1 mole, so we are getting here 2 mole. For 1 mole, we are getting 1 mole barium sulfate and 2 moles of H2SO4. So here we need to find the concentration of Cl minus. Okay, so for 1 mole giving 2 moles of Cl minus. For 1 mole BaCl2 we are getting 2 moles of Cl minus. For this much mole, how much we will get? Okay, so here we total will be Cl will be how much? 2 into 0.05 moles of Cl, means we will get here 0.1 mole. Now we are asking what is the concentration of Cl. So concentration of Cl means, again concentration means moles by volume. So moles, we know that moles of Cl is 0.1 mole, and what is the volume? So volume here we are getting, so we have taken how much? This is volume 50 for BaCl2. Okay, and for H2SO4 we have taken how much? 100. So this becomes 0.1 by 150. So this will be your answers. It will be your cancelling, then it will becomes again 0.1 by this. So the concentration into 1000. So this will be your volume. This is your ml. So you will get here 100 upon 150. And after solving 2 by 3, so we will get here 0.666 molarity. So this is the answers. So now next problem. So there are 3 solutions of XYZ is given. 3 solutions of XYZ of HCl are mixed to produce 100 ml of 0.1 molarity solutions. The molarity of XYZ are 0.07 molarity, 0.12 molarity, 0.15 molarity respectively. So what respective volumes of X, Y and Z should be mixed. So this is just like a heat and trial method. This is just like a heat and trial method, because here you have to take each and every ml to solve it. We will use the formula, same thing, 3 molarity is given, X, Y, Z. X is 0.07 molarity, Y is your 0.12 molarity, and Z is your 0.15 molarity. 3 molarity is given. Okay, and if you take the volume, so it should be equal to mixed. It should be equal to 100 ml. So this, if you mix it, this one X plus Y plus Z, so you will get the resulting solution 100 ml, and it should be equal to 0.1. This should be equal to this one. You have to mix, you have to take such a volume, then it becomes this one. So we can use formula M1 V1 for X, My Vy plus mz, vz and 100 into 0.1. So we have to take each and every equations properly. So if we take each one, so we will get this one. On A we will not get, B we will not get, C we will not get. Okay, if you take this value, so A this much we will not, we will get this value. So randomly we have to solve each and every problem. So directly I am solving here. Okay, so take this value, 50 I have solved earlier, so you have to take this, you have to solve each and every problem. So this is coming 55 into 0.7 plus volume is how much, 20 ml, 20 ml is there, 20 ml, molarity is how much, so molarity is given 0.12. okay, again volume is again 25, so molarity is given 0.15 and here 100 into 0.1. okay, this is given here. So again if you solve it, so you will get here 3.85 plus this will get here 2.4, this you will get 3.75 and here we are getting 10. So here we are also getting 10 is equal to 10. So in this way this option is correct. Now we'll see next problem. So next problem is again, what is the molarity of a solution obtained by mixing 750 ml of 250 molarity HCl with 200 ml of 2 molarity HCl. So this is a question, what is the molarity of a HCl so solutions obtained by mixing this is. So here we have two solutions, one is 750 ml of HCl, other is 250 ml of HCl. The two mixed concentration mixed on mixing, so we are getting the final mixtures. So again formula is same, one we have HCl here, so here HCl1, again we have next formula here, again HCl is here, second HCl is there this side. So here 750 ml 0.5 molarity, okay, and here we have 250 ml and 2 molarity. So on mixing together, so on mixing together we can use here M1 V1 plus M2 V2 is equal to M3 into V3. okay, so M1 V1 similarly 750 volume molarity 0.5 plus here 250 volume molarity 2 and here this and this is the volume added here, so M3 is equal to 750 plus 250. okay, so here we will get M3. So on solving this one, so we will get here directly I am writing here 0.0875 on solving these equations. So this is the equation by mixing the two different volume of the solution. So we can use this formula. Why we can add it? Because these two are added, so they do not react to each other. okay, so this is the questions. Now next is your this one, a sample of H2SO4, a sample of H2SO4 density is 1.787 gram per ml is labeled as 80% by mass. So this is the some sample of H2SO4 density is given and 80% by mass. So by mass is very clear, by mass means 80 gram of H2SO4 in 100 gram of solutions. So what is the molarity of the solid acid? So density given, mass given, so like previous question we can solve this question also. So same is there, what is the molarity? So molarity is given, so we know that mole by per liter. So mole we have given here how much, 80 is the H2SO4 and divide by 98. And volume, so volume is how much they have given per ml of solutions. okay, so by mass, so volume is not given here. okay, so mass is given, mass is 100 ml. So here volume is, mass means 100 is the 100 gram is the mass, and density they are asking, so density is here how much, 1.787. so mass by density is this much and divide by 1000 grams, so this becomes volume. okay, so on volume we can solve this equation. So we will get after solving something 14.59 molarity. okay, now what volume acid is used to make 1 liter of 0.2 molarity H2SO4? Means if you add water, so this is the H2SO4, okay, this solution is H2SO4, okay, and if you add water, so on adding water what will happen, volume will change. So volume should be how much, 1 liter. So how much water you are adding in this solution, so the volume become 1 liter. and concentration again 0.2 molar. So we know the final volume and final molarity. So initial M1, final this V1 we don't know, molarity we are knowing, what we are. So after adding it becomes M2 and V2. Okay, so M1 is 14.59 and volume means water whatever added in this solution. So here volume is equal to M2 is M2 again 0.2 molarity. This is 0.2 molarity. This is 0.2 molarity, and volume this is 1 liter. Okay, so this is become 1 liter means 1000 ml. This is ml. So again 14.5 liters. So for this solution you are adding this much volume to this concentration, so it becomes this much. So again V is equal to how much? 1000 into 0.2 divided by 14.59. So on solving you will get, so this become 200 divided by 14.59. So on solving you will get 13.71 ml. So this is the ml of concentration of this much. So after dissolving, after adding water, okay, this much ml water. Okay, so if you add it, what volume SE has to be used? So this much volume is used to make 1 liter of 0.2 molarity H2SO4. So this is the problem.